Welcome back. You're still tuned into Trading Hour. And as promised, let's talk about the commodity space now. Manisha joins us and she's going to talk about copper after talking about cryptos for much of the morning. Manisha.
Well, yes, thank you for that, Pavitra. I'm looking at metals because we've seen some strong gains continuing here. And within the space as well, copper is trading at around 4-month highs. This is because of the mining disruptions that have been reported in Chile and Peru. There are US sanctions now on Russian production that has been adding premium to prices also. And then China is expanding key financing programs to the real estate to the tune of nearly 250 billion Chinese yuan. So that is clearly, that means that the real estate sector, the construction numbers would see an improvement, and that would lead to more copper demand in case of China. The LME copper stocks also trading at around 7-month lows has been supportive for prices. We've seen LME inventories decline by nearly 44% in last 1 month alone. The Chinese copper inventories also are near record lows, and that has been supportive. The major cues clearly continue to come in from China, where we have seen China being a top user of copper. When you look at the production and imports of China, that has seen a bit of a decline. So the markets do believe that the total inventories within China are on the weaker side. The on-spot premiums have been rising, suggesting that on ground, the demand seems to be getting better right now. The car sales, while they did miss expectations in the month of October, the November numbers, the first 10 days have been slightly on the positive side. But of course, it is going to be about the COVID cases in China, the zero COVID policy. That is something that the markets keep looking at, and that is what is weighing onto the prices at these current levels as well. It's all going to be about the US inflation data today. Markets will take further direction from that.
Okay, Manisha, thanks a lot for that. Well, for now, the market is actually not too bad. It's not gotten worse. It's only the mid-cap end of trade where there's a slight bit of pressure accelerating down over 300 points for the mid-cap index. And the market breadth has gotten worse, but the headline index is still where it's at, holding at about 18,000. Let's slip into a quick break. When we return, we have the management of Stovecraft to discuss their quarterly numbers. Stay tuned.
Inox